What's up guys, Presley Yong here, back from a video. So obviously I did iOS 15 public beta video, but many people talk about how to install iOS 15 public beta. It's very easy to install, just follow step by step and you can actually install it. Be in mind that if you before all you install, make sure you back up before you install this device. So the first thing how you install, first you have to go to Safari. You just go here and just type Apple. Then put here space and with that beta software program. So you can say Apple beta software program. So you can just tap on it. You can see it's loading because I'm running on iOS 15. So you can learn more about it. So there's two things you can talk about it. Is either you sign up or sign in. If you actually a private beta user back then iOS 14, just click sign in. And they will ask you a prompt you screen a sign in page, so give me a sec. So just give me a sec because I need to key in my details. Usually it takes around very easy to key in, but because I'm using one hand to record, so please bear in mind. So once you key in everything, okay, so after it loads, it shows like this. Guide for private beta lets you try the pre-release software and provide feedback to make it better. So obviously you must go iOS, not iPad. iPadOS specific for iPads. Scroll it down and you see enroll your device. Just click it. And remember you backup, you always ask you to backup first and install a profile, just download and then you just send ends to your phone. Scroll down and go to settings, go to general, or make sure you allow it. If you got allow, then you can go to VPN and device management, and there you go, iOS 15 iPadOS beta. So what you go to do is that there's install, you just click install. After install, make sure to restart the device, and when you go to software update, it will say iOS 15 available on the software, and you can just install it and good to go. Make sure you download using Wi-Fi because that's only works on the Wi-Fi. If you want to show how it looks like, this is what it looks like. iOS 15 public beta 2 instead of private beta because the beta 2 is released, so I think Apple want to make it consistent the same private beta update. It's a 5.3 GB on iPhone 12 Pro Max depending what device you're using. And it will just appear like this. iOS 15 Private Beta 2 is now available, so you can go install it in front of you right now. So that's how you install iOS 15 Private Beta on your iPhone. So be sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell. I'll see you in the next video.